Hello students, today we will talk about the print function in Python. If you want to display output in Python, you will use the print function. In Python, showing anything on the screen start with one command, that is print function. For example, if you write print hello and run it, the output is hello. Print is a built-in function in Python. It is used to display output on the screen. Print function print the different types of value. If you write print 22, it will print 22. If you write print hello Python, it will print string type of value. And you can use the mixed value with the help of print function. For example, you write hello Python, then use the comma 2026. Here one is a string type value, another is a integer type of value. Then it will print hello Python 2026. You can print text, string, number and multiple values. Now we will talk about the formatting output. It shows how to make output look better. For example, if I write name equal to Jolly and age equal to 35, then print name equal to comma name comma age equal to comma age. Then run it. It is a formatting output. Now we will see the special parameter in print function. We have two types of parameter. One is called sep, that is used for separator, and one is called end, that is used for end line. Now first of all we will see the working of sep parameter. For example, if I write print A, comma, B, comma, C. Run it. The output is ABC. Now if you want to add some separator between these values, then you will use the sep. Sep equal to, for example, I write the hyphen sign, then run this program, run this code, that is A hyphen B hyphen C. You can change the separator just like hash. आप जो भी separator use करेंगे, that will add it in between these values. Now we will see the end parameter. Print hello and in next line print Python. When I run this program, it will print it in hello and Python in hello, then Python in next line. Now if you want to print in the same line, then add and equal to this. Now it is ended by the space. By default, prints adds a new line after printing something. But using AND parameter, you can change what comes to the end of the output. So print the hello, then this is the add space after printing hello, then print Python. Print functions work with text, number, and variables. Can customize using SAP and AND parameter. With the help of print function, you can print the formatting string. That's it for today. Keep practicing and happy coding. Thank you everyone.